Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to make your iPhone turn off automatically. So if at the end of this, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. The thing is, when you want your iPhone screen to turn off itself automatically, then you can choose between 30 seconds and almost 15-20 minutes. So it's not that your iPhone is going to turn off itself, but the screen is going to go blank after about 30 seconds. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. On the settings page, you want to scroll down, locate and click on display and brightness. Under display and brightness, scroll down, locate and click on auto lock. You can say I set my auto lock to 3 minutes. And now if you want your iPhone to turn off itself automatically under 30 seconds, just go ahead and choose 30 seconds. Then you're good. And after 30 seconds, your iPhone screen is going to go blank if you do not touch it. And to wake the iPhone, just need to double tap the iPhone. If you turn on, tap to wake and then you are good. So that is basically all you can do when you want to make your iPhone to turn off itself automatically. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.